Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about Greaves Cotton Limited. Actually, I recommended the stock at 86 level. So you can watch all the fundamental analysis and everything related to the Greaves Cotton. You can watch on this playlist. So you can see here that actually I recommended the stock 5 months back. You can see this video. So exactly 5 months back I given this stock, and when I was posting this stock, the trading price was 85.10. Now while we are looking into the share price, you can see that currently it is trading at 172.25. It means it is trading around 203% from our recommendation in 5 months. So what we have to do from here? So already the breakout, this is a breakout zone. So what will happen from here? So there will be a rally from here. So we are going to discuss further, and I will explain you about the company and also the latest development also. You can see here, this was that video, 85.10. The share was trading very low at that time when I was making this video, and I recommended this stock, and I given the target of 300 to 500 target I was given. So still currently we are on the breakout zone. Those who are holding Greaves Cotton Limited, please hold it, and surely the coming days the rally will be continued. And also I was given 300 to 500 for 3 to 5 years target it was. So please hold it. There is a huge rally is going to be happen on Greaves Cotton Limited. Please don't leave it. So it's a long-term multi-bagger stock. So exactly after that I updated another video. So 4 months back, you can see here another video. Exactly 1 month after that I updated the video, and you can see the price here. It was trading 123.20. After again 1 month back, I updated another video about Greaves Cotton. You can see here, and it was trading at 152.40. So you can see here the price difference between this thing. So in 3 months the rally was happened from 85 level to 152 level. In this video, actually I told, if you watch this video, I told you to take the short-term exit, and I told you to book the profit, and I told you to take out the asset and keep only the profit on Greaves Cotton Limited, and I told you that there will be a minor fall. After that there will be a consolidation. Everything I have explained on this video. So after that again you can see here 2 months back I updated in another video. You can see here. So in that video actually it was started falling. You can see here around 140 level it was trading. I told you there will be the consolidation will happen between around 130 to 145 level. So the consolidation was continued for long time here. So I will show you that. So I recommended the stock, you can see here at this level. So around February first week I updated the video. So I recommended the stock at 85 level. I shown you that video, and I shown you the date. After that there was a rally, and I updated the video around 129 level. Here I updated the video. I told you there will be a rally, it will be continued, and once I reach here at 152 level, I updated another video. I told you to book the profit here, and I told you to take the asset and keep holding the asset for some more time, and there you will get the share at lower price. I explain you in that video. So it was traded around 159 level. So after that it started to fall. In that time I told you that the consolidation will happen around 130 to 145 level. So you can see here it touched around 125 level. This was around 125. It touched around 125 level, and the highest was around 149 level. So you can see here. So how accurate my prediction was, and I told you that while I was recommending to take the short-term exit, I told you that the lengthy consolidation will be around 1 to 2 months consolidation will happen. Exactly you can see here, this video was updated 3 months back, and currently you can see here that the rally is started here. So after that, this is almost 15 days to 15-20 days. The rally is happening right now. It started to moving from around 125 level. So exactly our prediction was enact. So during this consolidation time, I have received many comments. And the subscribers, they were asking for Greaves Cotton Limited, whether shall I exit the stock or how much it will fall. Actually, the people got panic. They were on profit and they got panic, and I was keep on telling them to hold the share, and in case if you are on loss, try to add it, and surely there will be a rally, and our target is very huge, and the breakout will happen. You can see here 172 is the breakout zone, as I told you here, and our target is 300 plus. So in long time that we can achieve in coming months. So while we are coming to the last trading session, you can see here on July 2nd, the Greaves Cotton Limited, around 21 lakh shares are traded in BSE, and almost 65% taken delivery during this breakout zone, and the share was closed almost 8% up. So you can imagine that the peoples are trying to grab the share, and there is a reason behind that. I will explain you that. Just have a look into the shareholding pattern here. You can see here in September 2020, the company promoter was holding 54.82%, and while we are coming to December 2020, the company's promoter, they increased their stake. You can see here 55.60, and they have maintained the same in March 2021. And you can see the another good thing in March quarter shareholding pattern. You can see here promoter is holding 55.63%, as I told you, and non-institutional investors, they are holding 26.46%, and insurance companies, they are holding 6.97%. And while we are coming to the mutual fund holding, this is the most important thing. They have increased their stake around 1%, 0.95% they have increased. So while we are coming to the result, you can see here the growth. That means in December 2020, the company was generating around 436 crore quarterly sale, and it got increased to 457 crore. And the earning per share, you can see here still on positive. You can see here the net profit is almost 23.88%. The last quarter. That means we are talking about a quarterly sale, and the company's current market capitalization, while we are seeing, still it is only 3,967 crore, and while we are coming to the book value per share is 33.84, and the face value per share is 2. As I explained in my video, while I was recommending this stock, I told you that the coming quarters the result will be good. So if you watch my previous videos, you can understand that. And today, while we are seeing the stock after 5 months, you can see here. So the September quarter, the result was around 329 crore, and it was negative profit. And the December 2020, the company was generated almost 495 crore, and the company generated positive profit, quarterly profit. And during this time, we have made our recommendation video, and I told you that the next result will be good. So after 3 months or 3 or 4 months, the result was came. You can see here 520 crore sale was happened. And also while we are coming to the profitability, you can see here almost 13 crore profit is made. So as I told you before, you can see here total mutual fund schemes invested as of March 2021 in Greaves Cotton Limited are total 10 mutual fund schemes are invested. Out of that 10, almost 3 is new companies, and they are holding around 4.56%, and the total increment of holding is around 0.95. This is a great thing is happening, and you can see here mutual fund how increased their holding from 3.61% to 4.56% in March 2021 quarter, and the number of mutual fund scheme increased from 7 to 10 in March 2021. So it's a good sign. And let us see what are the Greaves Cotton subsidiaries, and I will explain you the business. Already I was explaining you in my previous videos, but we will discuss here again. So you can see here Greaves Leasing Finance Limited, you can see here, and Ampere Vehicle Private Limited, because recently the company was acquired. Ampere Electric Scooters, the company was acquired. And also in my last video I told you that the company is made around 700 crore plant in Tamil Nadu, and it is operational by end of this year. By December they are expecting. So after that there will be a huge sales boost will happen, and there is a news also, I will show you that. You can see here Greaves Cotton Netherlands Limited, and also Ampere Vehicle Private Limited. This is what we discussed just now, the Ampere scooters. So these are the company's subsidiaries. So currently we are into the Wikipedia page of Greaves Cotton Limited. You can see here, and Greaves Cotton is an Indian engineering company that manufactures engine and heavy equipment. Actually that was their major stream before, and it is traded on National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. While we are coming to the company's history, you can see here that the company was founded in 1859 by James Greaves and George Cotton, and it was incorporated in 1922 as a private limited company. Greaves Cotton was purchased by Lala Karamchand Tapur of the Tapur Group in 1947, and it was converted into public limited company in 1950. So it's very old. So while we are coming to the product range of the company, you can see here the company produces diesel, petrol, kerosene, gasoline engines, and diesel pump sets, and genset and farm equipment. This was their major business before, and still they are continuing. Additional to that, the company currently owns the electric manufacturing, the vehicle. That means you can see here Greaves Cotton company owns the Coimbatore based electric vehicle manufacturer Ampere Electric Vehicles. The acquisition made and entry in the ever booming EV industry. This was happened in last year. After that the Greaves Cotton Limited I recommended as a multi-bagger stock. So currently we are into the Greaves Cotton website. You can see here. So you can see here the range of products offered by Greaves Cotton Limited. The diesel engines 8 HP to 135 HP engines they are manufacturing. These are single cylinder engines and multi-cylinder engines, and also CNG LPG engines up to 9 HP to 15 HP, and you can see here. And while we are coming here, you can see here automotive and diesel engine 8 HP to 35 HP single cylinder engines. You can see here these are the engines they are manufacturing, and it's very old company, it's very pioneer company in India. It's available, and usually if you are checking your kerosene motor, the old kerosene motor 10 years 15 years before, in our house we were using, or in our farmland we are using, that was made by Greaves Cotton Limited. Most probably at that time we never noticed that, but it's a Greaves Cotton engine. So while we are looking into the latest news which was published on June 24, you can see here the speed of electric two-wheelers in 2 years. That means they are going to increase their their number of models, and they are going to increase the speed of electric vehicle. That was the major thing. Currently you can see that most of the electric vehicles, electric scooters are around maximum up to 80 km speed it can run, except some of Revolt scooters. Other than that, most of the scooters or most of the manufacturers, including TVS, Mahindra, everyone, they are manufacturing up to 60 km speed, 65 km, up to maximum up to 80 kilometers. So that was the major hurdle, and here Greaves Cotton Limited, they are going, they announced that the coming years they are going to increase the speed of the vehicle, and it will be matching with almost with other petrol and electrical engines. So this will be a major development. So after that the sale will be get increased. So currently we are into the Ampere scooter vehicle. You can see here in the website the models you can see here. So as long as the Greaves Cotton's electric vehicles are up to the world standards, so surely the coming days, the electric vehicle in the electric vehicle range, the Greaves Cotton vehicle, that means the Ampere electric vehicle, will perform because of their long presence. That means the thrust on Greaves Cotton Limited, because even especially in the villages, usually even if you are taking the pump set or whatever it may be, the engines, usually that was manufactured, everything was manufactured by Greaves Cotton. And even the recently, while we are seeing the grass cutting machine, that was also made by Greaves Cotton only. So there are a lot of things in the agricultural field that was made by Greaves Cotton. Still we are using it for many years, up to 20 years, 25 years it's using. While we are coming here, the total Ampere scooter, while we are seeing here, 600 million kilometers was driven. Now you can see here 120 lakhs liters of petrol has been saved, and 900,000 equivalent to planting trees. And you can see here 80,000 happy customers. So these are the major advantage. You can see here 80,000 vehicle almost they sold. That's the reason the 80,000 happy customers they are having. So these are the major thing while we are looking into the Ampere scooter. Other than that, they are having the mainstream business is there. Ampere scooter is only just a subsidiary. They have acquired recently, and now the Ampere scooter is becoming their major business. So the other business also they are continuing. So the business growth you can see here. So that will make the stock multi-bagger. Already I told you the stock already it's a multi-bagger. It's close to 202% in 5 months. So as of now, from my recommendation level, still I suggest to hold Greaves Cotton Limited on long term. So please don't sell it. So there will be a rally, maybe there will be consolidation will happen. After that the rally will be continued from here. Maybe it will take another 3 to 4 months to reach our target. Maybe sometime it will take up to 1 year. So don't worry, the company is having that much of potential and you can hold it for long time. So maybe after some years, maybe after 3 or 4 years back, if you are looking, this will be trading something like Mahindra and Mahindra. And surely you can see that in future you can see that the company will be get splitted. So surely the Greaves Cotton will get separated from Ampere scooter. So at that time also all the investors will get benefited. So we can expect maybe within 1 or 2 years that will happen. If you are able to hold, please hold it. Already you are on 202% profit. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon here, so you will receive all the instant notification. Usually the small updates I will give on my community tab. So in that case you will receive the instant notifications. So thank you very much. Thank you.